Let me show you how to make 3 different kinds of labels using your Cricut Joy. Hi, I'm Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today we are starting in Cricut Design Space. We will first make a circle, and that will be our chalkboard label. Then we're going to type out what we are going to label, and we will create an adhesive vinyl label with that one. You need to just size it down. And then our last label is going to be a writable one. We're going to go into images and choose the type of label we want. I did a little bit of searching till I finally landed in the one I liked, which was this one. Now I just need to change it into what I'm going to use it for, which is to store buttons. And then I'm going to change the writing aspect to a fine point pen in the color black. Now I just need to click make it, and I will be using the manually select for each one. The first 2 will be on a mat because I am going to be using scraps for those, and then my third one I'm going to do without a mat because it is the Cricut Smart materials. So here we go. Now we're going to take out our Cricut Joy, and we're going to add some of that chalkboard vinyl to a mat and let it cut it out. That one's super simple since it's just a circle. And then next I'm going to do a little scrap of adhesive vinyl, and I will cut out the word pom-poms with that one. Next, I'm going to put the mat away because I don't need it anymore, and I'm going to get some of the Cricut Smart materials. This is a writable adhesive. And I'm going to first put the pen. I'm going to load in that Smart material. Now I am going to remove the pen and put the blade back in so that it can cut it out. Now we just need to set the Cricut Joy aside, bring out the containers that we will be using. I'm using these glass jars. The first one I just had to add to the front. Again, that one is the easiest one since it's just a circle, and I will be using chalk later on to write what I'm going to store in there. Next, I will be getting some transfer tape to be able to transfer over my word label. Then I'm just going to use a little scraper to make sure it adheres properly to the container. And then I'm just going to remove the transfer tape. And then for my final label, this is also an easy one since it's already written out and everything. And I'm just going to place it, make sure that it's on good. That's it. 3 different kinds of labels using my Cricut Joy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you can. Tell me if you have a Cricut Joy and if you've made labels before. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Happy crafting.